everyone. We're gonna wait a couple minutes, or a couple seconds. Let's see. We have the fall 2022 Seal It box. I know it's been very hyped up, and we have been waiting to see what is inside. So we are finally at that day. Let's give a couple seconds. I want to try to get as many people on here as we can. All right, so we're at a good decent amount of people, so we're gonna get going. I know there's been a lot of guessing in what is in this box, little, pictures where people are hoping for certain things. So, I mean, I love this box. I think this box is seriously one of my favorites. So I know you're gonna love it too. So let's get started. So the box itself is beautiful. We're gonna open it up here. Once you kind of open the box, you're going to get these two little cards. You're going to get your style guide and also this cute little letter when you open it. So if you remember, if you got a box before, you have that little frame. So you have a two-sided card on this. I'm going to come up close. I want you guys to see it. So you can actually put this right in your frame that you had before. All right, let's move this out of the way a little bit. All right, should we go with the big box first, the small boxes? I'm not really sure. All right, we're starting here. Are we ready? Should I make you guys hold out a little bit longer? We have our orange pampas grass. So we have a good stem of this. As you guys can see, I'm gonna lay everything right out in front so you guys can guess. There you go. Let's get rid of these boxes. All right. So hard what boxes I want to do next. All right, we're going right here. What do we think that's in it? I don't know. We have our pillow pumpkins. These are super soft. I mean, don't let your dog chew on them. They're so stylish. Honestly, they are the softest things. I'm gonna hold these up right close. I want you guys to see how big these are. It comes in a set of 3. We're gonna bring these up close for you. We got all these guys. It's like a big soft, pillow. Let's lay these out. All right. I know this may have been one you guys have been looking and asking for, guessing. I'm really excited about this one. Many of you guys guessed this, so I know that all of you, most of you, are going to be so happy with this. It is large, as you can see. It's not a small sign. It's a really good size sign. It has this nice copper finish to the top. So yeah, this is definitely a very asked item when you guys were seeing all the pictures and videos. I know this is one that many of you were hoping for. Trying to keep organized. Let's keep these boxes out of the way. All right. I don't know, this one feels a little heavy. All right. It is a gold leaf tray. This thing is heavy. It's basically like a paperweight. So this is a very, very sturdy piece here. I'm coming around for you guys to check this baby out. I love the details on it. It's really like a pressed leaf. So we're gonna put that baby right there. All right. Remember, this box, for the amount of items you are getting in this box for the price, it's basically like $17 an item. These 3 pumpkins, $17. This picture frame, $17. I mean, if you're dividing the price for the amount of this, what this box is really worth, I mean, you really cannot beat. This is like a whole full room styling decor right here. I mean, that's really what Leanne kind of did when she coordinated all these pieces. She wanted you guys to be able to open up this box and decorate your house. Okay, so, I'm sorry, I'm pulling this behind. I put this little siding away. All right, so we have this box right here. I'm actually gonna come right in front and open this because I don't wanna hit my chandelier. So we have a beautiful lantern here. Hopefully I'm in the frame. I love the metal top and the arches. I mean, I'm a sucker for arches, so the arches on this are beautiful. We have the removable candle. You put a candle in there. I mean, heck, you can remove this, stick a little pumpkin in there. Bam. All right. We are gonna place this right here. Hopefully I'm getting all of this in here. I'm crossing in front. All right. Sorry, I went this girl. Whoa. You know, we're live here. Sometimes we lose the phone and knock it over. You know, that's the best part about being live. But, you know, whatever, it happens. We're still here. We're not missing the reveal, even if the phone falls over. All right. What do we have here now? I'm taking a little peek. Okay. This may or may not be one of the requests that I have seen all over social. Are we ready for it? This beautiful riser. Oh my goodness. I know this was definitely one of those ones that people have been guessing and hoping for. We're gonna pop this right here. Put this little leaf on guy. There we go. I mean, here's a whole tablescape for you right here, right? Woo! With the falling pumpkin. All right, I can't believe we have already just went through all of that. We have one more for you, and I'm going to shift you guys around for this one. So we have this box. Oh my, do we want to guess what's in this box? Post your comments. What do you think is in this box? All right, I'm gonna give you guys a second because I need to adjust here. Just a little bit. All right, this box, what do we think what's in it? Styrofoam and empty bags? I don't even know. An empty box? You get an empty box. I'm just kidding. We would never ever do that to you guys. This box, I love, and I had to, something that had to get put together. It took me 5 minutes to put together. So I'm going to spin you guys around for this one. So it is, guys, can you see my already other decor seal stuff? Do we see the sconces? Those are one of our favorite all-time items, those sconces. We have this half moon table that I absolutely love. All right, we're gonna put it right here. Let's add these little pumpkins. Let's see what we can do here real quick. We're gonna add our little pumpkins. Let's move our little decor seal mug. Whoop. I am just loving these fall colors. I truly am. The wood colors. If you notice that the table, the lantern, and the riser all have, and even the pumpkin sign have this beautiful natural wood color. So that is it. This is our reveal. I hope that you all love it. I mean, I truly, truly, truly love this box. I mean, you cannot get any better. I mean, like I said, this is for sure one of my favorite boxes, and I really hope that you guys enjoy it too. Like I said, I know you guys have been guessing over the last couple weeks, and some of these items you have been right on the mark, and I mean, they're truly beautiful. The pop-up orange, the wood, the copper colors. I mean, yeah, I don't think it can get any more perfect than this. This box is gonna be hard to beat. So thank you all and have a good day. Remember, order yours if you have not ordered them yet. Please go on order. Once you order your fall Steal Box 2022, you get exclusive access to the add-on shop, and I mean, there's nothing not amazing here. All right, thank you all and have a wonderful rest of your day.